with Brussels.
Hey everyone, today we're whipping up something extra delicious. Pink pasta chicken. Let's jump right into it. We will need bell pepper, tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, salt, pepper, chicken breast, onion, garlic, Parmesan cheese, butter, pasta, milk, and finally, tomato paste. First things first, we're heating up a pan on medium heat and dropping into tablespoons of butter. Look at that melt. Now, in goes our diced chicken breast. Stir it up and let it cook until it's golden brown. Next, in goes a few cloves of minced garlic. Stir it around for about a minute. Now we're adding some color. Toss in the bell pepper and keep mixing. Let's season this beauty with some salt and pepper. Then, in go the onions. Mix, 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 it's all coming together. Now, it's time for those fresh tomatoes. Let them cook down until they create a nice, rich base. And don't forget the tomato paste. This is what gives the dish that beautiful pink color we're aiming for. Here's where the magic happens. Time to add the milk. Pour it in gradually while stirring. You'll see the sauce thicken up and turn creamy. Now, let's get that pasta in there. Mix it all together, making sure every single piece of pasta gets coated in this dreamy sauce. Finally, we can't forget the cheese. A good sprinkle of Parmesan takes this dish to a whole new level of yum. Look at that, creamy, cheesy, and oh so delicious. Our pink pasta chicken is ready to devour. This is everything you need for a cozy, comforting meal in one pan.